are not my friend. No, you are not my friend. In and out of my life, time and time again. It starts out small, a whisper, a wink, a grin. Younger than age 10, that should have been yours. You could have had that. That would have been you. Just say it, take it, do it. There I am in trouble again. You're confusing, convincing, compromising me. I failed you. I hate you. I'm not you. I can't. Don't push me. No, you are not my friend. How can I begin? How can I be again? Be confident? Be kind? Be sane in my mind, not diluted, contorted, my soul polluted? I can't give you one more chance. Just look at my circumstance. You're the one that put me there, on my knees, pulling out my hair, crying out for help, and then you just left me there, abandoned and alone. You don't care for me. Just let me be. Please, let me be. No, you are not my friend. No more whispering in my ear. No more playing on my fears. No more grinning from ear to ear. Sin, you are not my friend. No, you are not my friend.